One spirit, one world. We all have our difference, but this do not stop us from being part of the same group, family, community, country, and the world. Find out in the poem what truly binds us all. I'm a beautiful child. I have a wonderful mind, heart, and spirit, full of energy, dreams, and needs. I'm unfit, but like others, I can blend my whitey because I belong to a family. My father, mother, and siblings together, we make a family. With others, we have an extended family. One direction, different ways to go toward unity, peace, and harmony, and build one big family, one spirit. Our families, big and small, together we make a community, one direction, different way to go toward community, peace, and harmony, and builds one big community, united, one spirit. Our communities, big and small, together we make a country, one direction, different ways to go toward unity, peace, and harmony, and build one country, all in one spirit. Our countries, big and small, together we make the world one direction, different way to go toward unity, peace, and harmony, and build one beautiful world, one spirit for you and me.